The AI just gave XRP a 98% probability for a big move up. But there's a catch you need to know about first. Let's break it down. Here's where we are right now. XRP is sitting at $1.42, down about 4% in the last 24 hours. Now, I know a 4% drop might look scary, but you know what I've noticed? This actually looks like a healthy pullback. We hit a high of $1.55 earlier, and now we're just cooling off a bit. It's like when you run up the stairs too fast, you need to catch your breath, right? Here's why this number matters. The RSI is at 81.68, which is, well, pretty extreme. When RSI gets above 80, it usually means things got a little too hot, too fast. But here's the thing. The MACD is still looking bullish at 0.0956, staying above its signal line. So we've got this interesting situation where we're overbought, but the momentum is still pointing up. It's like a car that's going too fast but hasn't hit the brakes yet. Now this is interesting. The dollar has been flexing its muscles lately, and XRP doesn't really like that. There's a negative correlation of about minus 0.48 with the dollar index, which means when the dollar gets stronger, XRP tends to get weaker. The dollar index is sitting at 99 right now, so that's putting some pressure on our little XRP. If this passes, well, actually, there's not much regulatory news today, but let me tell you about the ETF situation. Huh? This is surprising. All the XRP ETFs are seeing outflows. We're talking about $177.6 million flowing out. Now that sounds scary, but here's the thing. Sometimes institutional money moves around for reasons that have nothing to do with the actual value of the asset. The mood right now is pretty greedy, actually. The Fear and Greed Index is at 74, which puts us in greed territory. But you know what's funny? XRP search trends are only at 18, which means people aren't really talking about it much yet. Sometimes the best opportunities come when nobody's paying attention. The big players are doing something interesting. We're seeing whale transactions worth over $11 trillion in XRP. That's a lot of money moving around. These whales made 358 transactions, which tells me the institutional players are definitely active. When the big fish are swimming, usually something's about to happen. In plain English, we're at this stage. The Elliott Wave folks are saying we're in a wave C correction, which basically means we're in the final part of this pullback. The Wyckoff analysis suggests we're in a markup phase, which is fancy talk for prices are going up, but we might see some bumps along the way. So what does the AI think? Well, this is where it gets exciting. For tomorrow, the AI is kind of on the fence, giving us a 50.5% probability for $1.49. But wait, here comes the good part. For the next 7 days, the AI is showing 98.2% confidence that we'll hit $1.66. That's a 16.6% gain from here. And for the next 30 days, still looking at $1.62 with 77% confidence. Now that's a great signal. But here's what could go wrong. First, that RSI at 81 is a bit concerning. We might see more selling pressure before things turn around. Second, all those ETF outflows could keep weighing on the price in the short term. And if the dollar keeps getting stronger, that's not going to help us either. Here's my take. This is a partial buy situation, but be smart about it. I'd wait for XRP to come down to the $1.35 to $1.38 range before jumping in. That's where the real support should kick in. If you do buy, set your stop loss at $1.20, because if we break below that, something's definitely wrong. Your target? Aim for $1.65, just like the AI suggests. That gives you about 20% upside with a clear exit strategy. That's it for today. If this helped you understand what's happening with XRP, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I'll be back tomorrow with more AI insights, so see you next time.